In the quest for the perfect home-cooked meal, the right tools can make all the difference. For those who crave the crispy, golden goodness of restaurant-quality fried foods, this Hamilton Beach Triple Basket Electric Deep Fryer is a game-changer. With its large capacity, versatile baskets, and powerful performance, this deep fryer promises to elevate your cooking experience. Let's dive into a detailed review of this impressive kitchen appliance and see why it's a must-have for any culinary enthusiast. The Hamilton Beach Triple Basket Electric Deep Fryer is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Its sleek stainless steel exterior not only looks professional, but also ensures durability and longevity. The fryer features a large 4.7-quart, 19-cup oil capacity, allowing you to prepare up to 12 cups of food at once. This is particularly useful for families or when entertaining guests. One of the standout features is the vented lid with a viewing window. This allows you to monitor the cooking process without opening the fryer, reducing splatter and mess. The lid's design also helps contain odors, ensuring your kitchen remains fresh. Equipped with a robust 1800-watt immersed heating element, the Hamilton Beach Deep Fryer heats oil quickly and maintains consistent temperatures. This is crucial for achieving evenly cooked, crispy results. Whether you're frying French fries, chicken tenders, battered vegetables, or seafood, this fryer ensures your food comes out perfectly golden every time. The Hamilton Beach Triple Basket Electric Deep Fryer comes with 3 chrome-plated frying baskets, offering maximum versatility. You can use the large 12-cup basket for frying larger quantities of a single food, or utilize the 2 6-cup baskets to fry 2 different foods simultaneously. This feature is perfect for preparing multiple dishes at once, saving you time and effort. One of the key selling points of this deep fryer is its ease of use. The adjustable temperature dial ranges from 265 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control over the frying temperature. A ready light indicator lets you know when the oil has reached the optimal heat, ensuring flawless cooking results. Assembly and cleaning are also straightforward. The removable heating element can be hand-washed in warm soapy water, while the oil pot, baskets, and lid are dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup a breeze, allowing you to enjoy your meal without worrying about a lengthy cleanup process. Safety is a top priority with the Hamilton Beach Deep Fryer. It features a breakaway cord that prevents the fryer from tipping over if the cord is snagged. This is particularly useful in busy kitchens or when children are around. The cool touch handles and vented lid further enhance safety by preventing burns and reducing splatter. Pros: large capacity, fry up to 12 cups of food at once. Versatile baskets, 3 baskets allow for simultaneous frying of different foods. Powerful heating element, 1800 watts ensure quick and even frying. Easy to clean, removable parts are dishwasher safe. Safety features: breakaway cord, cool touch handles, and vented lid. Cons: oil usage. Larger capacity means more oil is required. Size: takes up more counter space, which might be a concern for smaller kitchens. Conclusion: the Hamilton Beach Triple Basket Electric Deep Fryer stands out as a top contender for anyone serious about home frying. Its combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're cooking for a family meal or a gathering of friends, this deep fryer delivers consistent, restaurant-quality results every time. If you're ready to elevate your frying game and enjoy delicious, crispy foods at home, the Hamilton Beach Triple Basket Electric Deep Fryer is a worthy investment. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.